Replace the word problem with the word opportunity in all your thoughts.
I have a drinking opportunity.
Do you think twice before you drink?
No, I drink twice before I think.
Why do people wear wedding rings on their left hand?
Because marriage is not right.
What is it called when you exchange money for a hostage?
Dowry?
Sir, naniniwala ka ba na ang solusyon sa init ay hindi aircon kundi puno?
Di kasya sa kwarto yan.